everyone, welcome back. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Today we will start a important topic for your competition, that is the short tricks on indefinite integration, and it's so important when you will see the video. Let's start.
First question is dx by x plus a under root of x plus b. Sorry, the form is like that. So what will be your direct answer for the competition? That is 2 tan inverse under root of x plus b plus c. I took one of the example also. Dx by x plus 3 under root of x plus 2 is equal to 2 tan inverse of under root of x plus 2 plus c. This is your first form and you can get the direct answer. Second form is aex, here exponential is multiplied here, plus b by cex plus d. When the form is like this, you will write b by dx, see these are the constant, b by dx plus ad minus bc, I wrote it in the numerator, and cd into multiply log of the denominator plus c. I took one of the example also. 5e to the power x plus 8 by 2e to the power x plus 7 into dx. Now what will happen? The constant terms are 8 and 7. So 8 by 7 into x plus cross multiply between the terms divided by the denominator के coefficients का multiplication and log of the denominator. We get the answer in 2 to 5 seconds. This is very important for all you what you are giving the competitions for engineering and the other exams. Now the form number 3, integration of ax plus b by cx plus d into dx. Ax by c minus cross multiply by coefficient of c ka square log of cx plus d. Please don't get confused in between what I taught in the last one, that was e to the power x, and that the form here it was coming b by dx. Please check it. Okay, now this is the form. I took one of the example also. 6x plus 1 by 5x plus 3 into dx. So what will come? 6 by 5x minus 6 into 3 minus 5 into 1 by 5 ka square log of the denominator. We get the answer. Make a note. Now the fourth one, a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x. The procedure is very lengthy. I think you remember ki how we will find out this integration to get it ki that a numerator is equal to a into differentiation of denominator plus b into denominator, then we compare the values and we will get something, and it will be a very lengthy. That is according to the board or for the CBSE or whatever the board you are doing it. Now this is for the competition. In one step you will get the answer. How? The cos x का coefficients and plus sin x का coefficients by denominator में whatever the cos x and sin x के coefficients का square into x plus cross multiply ad minus bc same c square plus d square log of that plus constant. Simply we get the answer. I took one of the example also. 3 cos x plus 2 sin x by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x is equal to, please check it once, 3 into 4 plus 2 into 3 by 4 ka square plus 3 ka square into x plus 3 into 3 minus 4 into 2 by 4 ka square plus 3 ka square log of that. You will get your answer. Make a note. Now the fifth form is, if the form is dx by a plus b cos square x, what you will do normally you will do divide the numerator and denominator by cos square x, then 10x ka form will come, you will substitute and like that you will do. But for the competitions we will write it directly. The integration of this will be 1 by a under root of a by a plus b tan inverse of a by a plus b into tan 10x. Simple form. I took one of the example to understand you. 2 plus 3 cos square x So what is your a? 2. I took it 1 by 2. Under root of a means 2, a plus b means 2 plus 3, that is 5. Tan inverse of that into tan x. We get the answer. Make a note. Now the sixth form is, if the form is like dx by a plus b sine square x. What we did, the form a plus b cos square x, the opposite of that. 1 by a plus b under root of a plus b by a tan inverse of a plus b by a tan x plus c. Simple form. Dx by 9 plus 4 sine square x. I took one of the example. See, 1 by 13, how it came? A plus b, 9 plus 4, 13. Root 13 by root 9 tan inverse of root 13 by 9 tan x plus c. But thoda sa you need to simplify out also. 1 by 13, root 13 I wrote it like that. Square root of 9 is 3. Similarly, I took it here. But I solved that also. 13 ko I can write root 13 into root 13. I cancelled it. I got this, the simplified answer. Make a note. Now, the seventh form is, if integral is in the form of the quadratic, this form only. If the root is there or something else, you cannot do. If the form is like that, then how to integrate in 1 second or 5 seconds? Then you need to check it first. 4ac minus b square. It should be greater than equal to 0. Then possible for this one. Otherwise not. So I will write it. I found this, then the integration of this one be 2 by under root of 4ac minus b square, tan inverse of the differentiation of the denominator by under root of 4ac minus b square plus c. How it came? I took it dx by 2x square plus 3x plus 4. This means that I will check it once whether 4ac minus b square is coming greater than 0 or not. I checked it. Yes, it is. So I can do this form, that is 2 by under root of 39 tan inverse of 4x plus 3 by under root of, differentiation I did it, 2x square ka 4x, 3x ka 3 by under root of 39 plus c. This is your answer. Make a note. Now, eighth form is very important form. It is a isolate form, x to the power n log x into dx. Simple. Whenever log is multiplied, please remember that. When the form is like that, then you do like this form. Otherwise, if sin x or cos x, so there will be a other integration. X to the power n log x into dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus x to the power n plus 1 ka whole square plus c. Simple integration. Now, I took one of the example, x square log x into dx. Make it this form. It become 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 because n is 2 here, log x minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 ka whole square. You get your answer. Now, the ninth form is x to the power n into fx. Now, fx means it can be a sin x, it can be a trigonometric function, it can be an exponential function. I took one of the example also with a trigonometric function. First of all, here I wrote it first differentiation and then second integrate. Means the first function is we need to differentiate till we are not getting 0. Second, we need to integrate. Now, x square x means, what is, if I am writing isolate, see here, what is your first function is the algebraic, trigonometric is second. That means, first function ka I differentiated x, differentiation 1 and then 0. Similarly, sec square x ka integration is 10x. Log sec x, then I did not write again because it is a 0. If I am multiplying with 0, I am getting 0 only. Start from positive, signs I am telling you, plus, minus, plus, like this it will go on. So see here, x into 10x with the positive sign, 1 into log x with the negative sign. I did not do the rest of the part because it was 0. This is your answer for this one. So simple. Make a note.
This is the end of the today's video. Have you seen integration indefinite integration became so simple with these tricks. If you want more tricks and more questions on that, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.